What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with Untitled Design, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA splitter on this brand new Lexus IS. Stay tuned. So let me tell you a little bit about the NIA splitter is, one, that all splitters are specifically designed per model. So you do not see the same design copy paste per model. Every single one is designed with the body lines of the vehicle in mind. Two, every kit is designed with the factory bolts in mind. We try to use as many as we can on all of our designs, and then we also use some support screws towards the front. Three, all our kits are available painted. You can either get them color matched to the vehicle, or you can do contrast colors like a gloss black, satin black, matte black, and we even have F-Sport gray, which is very similar to the older generation's IS spindle gray. And lastly, it's made out of ABS plastic, making them durable yet flexible for you lower cars out there. And on top of that, we reinforce all our kits to make them a lot stronger when you're scraping on the road. So first thing we want to do is wipe down the bottom of the car, make sure there's no rocks or any road debris stuck underneath. Get a clean rag and just wipe underneath. When installing the NIA splitter, always think safety first. If you're going to jack up the car, always use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to use the angle driver, so we're just going to creep up underneath. Now that the car is nice and clean, what you want to do is we want to find the 8 factory bolts that match to the splitter, get your 10mm socket, and we'll start removing all of them. Now that the factory bolts are removed, this is when you're going to get the same factory bolts, and this time present it so it can hold the splitter up. Grab a friend or family member to help you align it, and the best thing to do is start from the corner. Now that all the factory bolts are in halfway, everything should still be loose. This is when you get all the support screws that we provided to you and present them through the pre-drilled holes. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna self-tap into the bumper, but only do it halfway. If you tighten it all the way, you run the possibility of over-tightening and stripping the plastic bumper. Let's get started. Now that the support screws are in halfway, this is when you tighten up the factory bolts. Same thing, get the 10mm and we'll tighten them up. Now that the factory bolts are nice and tight, this is when you get the stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to hand tighten every single support screw. Make sure not to over tighten because you can strip the plastic bumper. Once all the screws are tight, you are good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus IS. If you have any questions, please comment below. We always get back to you guys. Thanks again.